Hi, you are watching Farming Discover channel. Now we will show a video on robust and powerful the new Mahindra Jivo 365 Di4WD. This is a lightweight tractor designed especially for application in paddy fields. Jivo 365's advanced DI engine gives unmatched power and best-in-class mileage. It is the first tractor in India equipped with the revolutionary position auto control (PAC) technology that makes it an absolute master of puddling. The ADDC Hydraulics enabled with PAC technology help you to work effortlessly without constantly adjusting the PC lever, thereby delivering superior performance. This lightweight 4WD Puddling Master, when used with Mahindra's 1.6 meters Gyrovator, gives uniformly leveled field and hence better quality of puddling without getting stuck in wet conditions. Machine specifications. Engine, Mahindra Jivo 365 Di4WD. Engine type, Mahindra DI. Engine power, 26.8 kilowatts, 36 HP. Rated RPM, 2600 R per minute. Maximum torque at rated RPM 118 Newton meters. Maximum PTO power 22.4 kilowatts 30 HP. Number of PTO speed RPM 2, that is 590 845. Fuel tank capacity 35 liter. Tire front plus rear 8 by 16 plus 12.4 by 24. Ground clearance 390 millimeters. Turning radius 2.5 meters. Air cleaner, dry type. Thank you for watching. Like the video and share with your friends. And if not subscribed our channel, please subscribe Farming Discover.